Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. Our word of the day is assembly. It's a C1 level noun that has two main meanings. It can refer to a gathering of people, usually for a specific purpose, or the construction of something by putting its parts together. Let's break it down. When we talk about an assembly as a gathering, it might be a school assembly where students come together for announcements or events. It could also be a legislative assembly, like a group of lawmakers meeting to discuss policies. On the other hand, if we think of assembly as the act of construction, it could refer to putting together furniture from a store or assembling a machine. Now, let's dive into some synonyms for assembly. For the meaning of a gathering, you might use meeting, gathering, or congregation. For example, the committee held a meeting to discuss the budget. For the construction meaning, you might hear construction, building, or fabrication. For instance, the construction of the new desk took longer than expected. For antonyms, if we're thinking of assembly as a gathering, an opposite might be dispersal or scattering. For example, the crowd's dispersal marked the end of the rally. For the construction meaning, an antonym could be disassembly or dismantling. For instance, the dismantling of the old machine was necessary for repairs. In everyday life, assembly is a word you're likely to hear in a variety of contexts. At work, you might attend an assembly of colleagues to brainstorm ideas. At home, you might tackle the assembly of a new bookshelf. At school, students gather for a morning assembly to hear updates and announcements. Here are some examples of how you can use assembly in a sentence. The teacher announced a special assembly to celebrate the students' achievements. The instructions for the table's assembly were surprisingly clear. The city council held an assembly to address the concerns of local residents. The assembly line in the factory operates 24 hours a day. To recap, today we explored the word assembly, a C1 level noun with two meanings, a gathering of people or the construction of something. We talked about synonyms like meeting and construction, and antonyms like dispersal and dismantling. I hope you feel ready to use this versatile word in your own conversations. Before we wrap up, I want to thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoy the podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And here's a fun challenge. Create your own sentence using assembly and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.